Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by ensuring requirements are met, an updated Android and enough space, because Gboard needs installation files. Once installed, go to Settings and locate Languages and Input. This is where Android manages keyboards. Tap Virtual Keyboard to view current input methods. If Gboard isn't listed, choose Add Keyboard and select Gboard. You do this so Android can recognize and present Gboard as an available input method. Now you're ready for the detailed activation steps. Now you enable and customize Gboard. First, toggle Gboard on in input methods. Android will often request permissions such as microphone for voice typing. Grant these to enable full features. Next, open the Gboard app to configure themes, glide typing, autocorrect strength, and add any languages you need. Once configured, return to Virtual Keyboard or Current Keyboard and select Gboard as the default. This ensures every app uses it. Make sure language order and preferences match how you type. Finish by testing Gboard in a messaging app. Type, use glide input, insert emoji, and try voice typing to confirm permissions work. If something feels off, lags, missing keys, or wrong language, clear Gboard's cache and settings apps, then force stop and reopen. If needed, uninstall and reinstall from Play Store and reboot the phone. And if problems persist, make sure no accessibility services or third-party keyboard managers are overriding input methods, because those can block Gboard from becoming the default.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.